Hello guys, I thought I'd bring you a disaster video today. Get it? Disaster video? Yeah. Disaster. That's what I called your mama after I was done with her. She was a disaster. Get it? Oh, I get a mansion. Alright. No way I can get killed here. They call me the Survivor King back at the Obby station. Yeah. Obby Master. Said nothing about no thunder though. Yeah. Oh no. The old days come back to haunt me. I better get out of this room. Go this way. Check out the window. Teach, I don't think that looks safe. Yeah. I think I'll just go disaster warn ass. Oh no! Azurite! Azurite, don't get in my eyes! No! Burn out my eyeballs. Ah! Run! Oh no. Oh no. Hide underneath the desk. That's what they taught you. Oh wait, there is no desk. There's a teacher desk. Hide. Hide. Stay there. Hide underneath the thing. Oh no. Oh no. Jump. Ooh. Ah. No. No acid. She's losing her arms. You see that? Look at that. She completely green from the acid. How do I get out of this? I just want to live. There's so much to live for. Okay, run out the window, jump out the window. Jump out the window. Get out the window. Ow. Yo. Oh, the safest spot has got to be over here. Just shove your face in a wall like you're in trouble. You know, over there in that attic, we get this stuff all the time. Acid rain, you know, thunderstorm, all sorts of things. Obby survive it. I survive a lot of things, bro. I like gangsta. Oh, dang. See that? I'm one of the survivor list. You know why? Because I'm good. That's why they call me Obby Master. I wasn't sweating that. I never am. It was easy. Like walking through school. Easy walk, right? Go to the park and then get mugged. Ran over by a car. That's a Roblox life. Back in 2011, these were the best graphics you could get right here. Yeah. The best graphics ever. We had Plane Crash. We had sword fighting games. We had clans that were even developed. You know, you couldn't even have your own clan game yet. Back in 2011. None of that. Back in 2008, you couldn't even have shirts and clothes and pants and all that. Oh no. Not dying this way. This is not how a Roblox from 2011 goes out. You're gonna have to clip me, bro. To clip me with your car and shoot me. Oh! Guess I do go out that way. I'll be back. I'll be back for seconds. You better see. Like I was with your mom. Oh! Oh! Get some. You know, if I wear this hat backwards, I almost look like a gangster. No, not really. Yeah, but check them abs. Check them. Yeah. Those are some gangster abs, huh? Do like 50,000 pull-ups with a marshmallow. Can you do that? Bet you can't do that. I'm gonna end it right here, guys. Send you a farewell, because it looks like it's gonna be a while till the next one starts. I'll make a part 2 of this. Part 2 of longest lasting Obby Master. Yeah.